And here we have the latest arrival to the workshop. James, I think it's a Cadet, but I'll have to confirm that with the owner. And it's not a full restoration this time, it's just a make it roadworthy so that the owner can ride it around for a while and then maybe do a cosmetic clean-up later. So the first job is just make a rough note of stuff that needs to be done, a quick visual inspection, and sort out all the boxes that the owner has sent with the bike. See what's required, see what's available from the boxes and what sort of condition everything's in. Doesn't really matter whether you start at the front or the back. I started at the front here because the first box had a headlight in it, which seems to be the right one and is in pretty good condition, so I won't be getting one of those. Gradually working through the box here, keeping an eye on bits that you definitely need. One thing I've noticed is there's no wiring loom, so that's something that will have to be got. Just keeping an eye on everything as you're going along, getting an overall picture of the condition of the bike, which is surprisingly good. And a lot of the bits are in the boxes, I'm glad to say. A quick check on the horn there to see if it works. It's clicking nicely. I'm putting 12 volts DC through an AC 6-volt horn, so the best you'll get is a click, but that's encouraging. Also check the carburetor out, make sure there's actually some bits inside it. The top and spring are missing, so they'll have to go on the list. They're going to be a bugger to find. But everything else seems in pretty good condition. It's got the air filter, which is nice. And gradually you just work through the bike, finding out bits and pieces, making a list of what's required for the first shopping list. There's bound to be more later. Another thing the owner said, there was no spark. He had the engine rebuilt a while back. It's been painted, which is a bit worrying, but it seems okay. It's got compression, all the gears are there, but no spark. And yet it's got new points, condenser and a new ignition coil. So I'm giving them a clean just to see if it was just a bit of dirt, but who knows. As you can see there, also the kickstart is dangling. There is a spring and cover, so that won't be going on the list again. Nope, no spark. Something's not right. That will definitely have to go on the list. A quick run with the drill, but to no avail. Still no spark. So continuing on the other side of the bike, just again working front to back, seeing what was needed. Work on the rear brake for definite. It's about 5 inches higher than the actual foot pedal, so something not right there. Petrol tap's not there, chain's not there, chain guard's there, that's handy. Rear lights there, that's handy. So the list isn't that long, it's quite nice. Wheel bearings are okay, brakes seem to be working, although they'll be checked. Definitely be putting new inner tubes in it. No play in the front forks, although that could be because they're seized. but again, for the moment, no work required. Yep, I'm looking forward to this one. Tyres are old but in good condition, so they'll do for now until the owner's happy enough with it. And that's it, basically, the assessment. So I thought people might like to see what it goes through when it first arrives. It'll be a while before I get going at it. But anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.